Okay guys, welcome to another of our video tutorial. Today we'll be discussing about the arithmetic operators in Python. Okay, so they are the basic arithmetics or mathematical activities that we carry out using some of the operators that you are already familiar with. Okay, so just sit back and enjoy the class. All right, the first one is the addition. Second one is subtraction. Third one is multiplication. The fourth one is, let's say, division. Okay guys, I think the next one we're going to go into, or from this set downwards, we're going to be going into the things that we're not too familiar with. So I want you to pay attention. So the first one we're going to go into is what we call the division, that will give us the integer, or that will give us the whole number of the division. Okay, so we denote that with the double division. Let's say division. Okay, so example is, let's say 10 divided by 3. Okay, so the next one we are also going to go into is what we call the modulo. The modulo is a type of division that we do, that we, instead of having the whole number just like in this double division that will only give us the whole number and truncate the remainder, in this modulo will only give us the remainder and truncate the whole number. Okay, so it's actually written as modulo. Okay, so an example is, let's see this example, or in this case the symbol is this. Okay, I'm going to run all of this and you will see the results. Okay, so I want to finish them up. Then the next we are going to be talking about is the exponentiation. Okay, exponentiation, this has to do with power. Okay, so you print example. Okay, let's say we have 10 raised to the power of 3, so we denote that with double asterisk. Okay, double asterisk. Okay, so this is the basic arithmetic operators we have in Python: the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, the division, the double division. Like I told you, this only returns the whole number and truncates the remainder. Then the modulo, this only returns the remainder and truncates the whole number. Okay, then the exponentiation is where a particular one is raised to another one. Okay, here in this case, this 10 will be raised to the power of 3. Okay, so when you run the program, you're going to have our answers displayed. Okay, so the first one is addition. 2 plus 4 give us 6. second one is subtraction. 20 minus 10 gave us 10. Okay, the third one is multiplication. 2 times 20 gave us 40. Okay, so the next one is division. 20 divided by 2 gave us 10. Okay, so the next one is the double division. 10 divided by 3. So we're supposed to have 3 remainder 1. Okay, so but if you observe here, what we have here is just the 3. The remainder is truncated. That is what this double division does. Okay, then the next one is the modulo. The modulo does the opposite of the double division. It only returns the remainder and truncates the whole number. So if you divide 10 by 3, what you're going to have is 3 remainder 1. So the 3 has been truncated and the 1 returned. Okay, so the next one is the exponentiation of power. Okay, so in case you're not too familiar with the exponentiation, it's power as well. Okay, raised to a power. So this 3 is on top of this 10. So it means that we're going to multiply this 10 in 3 places. 10 times 10 times 10. Alright, so that will give us 1,000. Okay, so these are the basic arithmetic operators we have, operations we have rather in Python, and their various operators. Okay, these are the operations, the ones in print, they are the operations, they are the processes we've carried out, while the ones that I've commented out, they are the operators. Okay, so I think I will have to, in brackets I will put in their symbols so you get to identify them. Okay. So this is this, this is this, and this is this as well. Okay, so these are all the arithmetic operations and their various operators we have in Python. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be talking about is operator precedence, how you can use each and every one of them in case you have more than one in your operations. Okay, see you in our next class. Operator precedence. Take care.